Welcome back to Moshu Moto, guys. In the previous episode, we cleaned the top part of the barn. There was a lot of dust and spiderwebs there. We took out the firewood that was sitting on this side of the barn and the 3 wooden boxes that were sitting here. So in this episode, things will get serious because we have 3 main tasks that we want to tackle. Then the first thing would be the electrical power installation, and for that we will have a professional electrician come in and help us. Second thing would be to build 2 workshop tables out of reclaimed pallets. And the third thing would be the wooden structure for the 9 LED light panels. We actually have these 62 by 62 LED light panels. They give out plenty of light and very good quality light for the video purposes, of course. Good. So we actually started prior to this and prepared the wooden beams. We applied woodworm treatment to them and also primer. So the first thing would be to paint these ones in black, leave them to dry out, and start working on the workshop tables. So let's get to work. By the way, we actually received the motorcycle workshop lift. It's in this wooden crate, and also the steel rafts, which are in those boxes. We will take these ones out and mount them once we're finished with all the electrical part. But for now, let's get painting those wooden beams. Let's go. Okay guys, so we managed to paint in black the LED light supports, as you can see. Now let's move on to the 2 workshop tables. So we managed to build the 2 workshop tables from reclaimed pallets. They are very strong, as you can see. In the future, we will take some wooden plates and cover these holes here, but for the time being, they will remain as they are, because we're gonna move up in the attic and start creating the wooden frame for the LED lights. So let's get going. Guys, so as you can see, we managed to install 2 rows for the LED lights, and we actually connected this one to the power source. I know it's sketchy for the time being, but we just want to test them. Let's see if we can get some lights in here. So this is up. My beautiful assistant, please turn on the switch. Ta-da! The first lights in this barn. Amazing. This is truly a big moment. Yeah, can't wait to have all 3 of them, but it looks amazing. What do you think? I think it's just great. Okay. Actually, we're gonna end this one here because actually it's dark outside. We're pretty tired, famished, and dirty. So we're gonna see you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye bye. It is the next day and we are back in the barn. Today we're gonna tackle the electrical wiring for the LED lights because we left a little bit of a mess. We just wanted yesterday to test them out to see if everything works out. And actually we had just 1 row of lights hooked up. Now we're gonna do the rest of them and also build the 3rd row for the LED lights. So let's get to work. We're gonna have a busy day today. Let's go. Okay, good. Tools down. Now let's go and check if everything is good and it works. We are finally done with the LED lights, so let's check them out. These are the 9 LED panels that we have in here. They give out around 32,000 lumens, plenty enough for our motorcycle workshop. And I'm gonna actually get down from here and we're gonna start unboxing the motorcycle lift and the steel rafts. Yeah. So I'm gonna come down and I'll see you in a bit. And boom. Okay guys, so this is how the lights are looking. I think they're just amazing. Now we're gonna go ahead and unpack the motorcycle lift and also the steel rafts. So let's get to work. Let's light it up. Boom. We have the LED lights, we have the workshop lift, and we have the steel rafts. It's been quite a journey so far. I'm really happy that we managed to do all of this. In terms of future plans for the barn, we're gonna push a little bit more the walls and the concrete slab because it's still cold during the night and we want really good warm temperatures in order for the walls and the concrete slab to dry. So we don't want cracks in them. So we're gonna still push them a little bit later. But since we have the workshop lift installed, In the next episode, I'm actually bringing in my motorcycle. I want to tell you a little bit more about it because it has an interesting history. And I'm gonna start working on it because I want to prepare it for the season. So we're gonna do that. Thanks for watching. As always, if you like it, please subscribe, follow for more, and yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm pretty much tired, hungry, and in desperate need of a shower. I'm dirty. So I'm gonna see you in the next one, hopefully. Thank you. Bye.